Are you curious about AI chat apps that let you interact with virtual characters like never before? Today, we're diving into Linky AI and Talkie AI, two popular apps designed for chatting with AI generated personalities. We'll break down what makes each app unique, their pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the better choice for your needs. Linky AI overview. First up, Linky AI. This app shines if you're into roleplay and creating custom characters. You can craft unique personalities, scenarios, and even integrate your chats with Discord, which makes connecting with other users easier. But there's a flip side. While Discord integration is great for community interaction, it also exposes users to unsafe or adult content. On top of that, some users report frequent crashes and issues with purchasing premium features, which can be frustrating if you rely on the app regularly. Pros of Linky AI. Great for roleplay and character customization. Discord integration for social interactions. Flexible AI responses tailored to your scenarios. Cons of Linky AI. Frequent app crashes, problems with premium feature purchases, potential exposure to unsafe content. Talkie AI. Overview. Next, let's talk about Talkie AI. This app is known for being more stable and user-friendly. It is particularly popular for relationship-style conversations, making it a go-to for users looking for realistic and engaging interactions. However, Talkie AI does have a major drawback: its limited
I lost my
availability.
job, I got no
In some
money, and I
regions,
don't
it has
have
been
your
removed
rent.
from app stores, which can make access tricky. Pros of Talkie AI. Stable and reliable performance, user-friendly interface, excellent for relationship-focused conversations. Cons of Talkie AI. Limited availability in certain regions, less focused on roleplay or customizable character creation. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for creative roleplay, custom characters, and social integration, Linky AI is your pick. Just be aware of its stability issues. But if you prefer a smooth, stable experience with the relationship style interactions, Talkie AI is the clear winner, provided it's available in your region. Both apps bring AI chat experiences to life in unique ways, so it really depends on what you value most: creativity or stability. Have you tried either of these apps yet? Drop your experience in the comments below and let's chat about which AI you love more.